rubbish. Oh, pull back.
Go, go, go!
Shot tube this.
It's gonna...
Oh!
Wow! That was amazing!
Yeah.
Alright, back to on.
How many left?
And one more. Fire over.
Another shot tube.
See what happened there? It was a giant exploding fire. That was
Fire local.
See what happened there? It was a giant exploding
Yeah,
fire.
no, you
It was amazing.
get really careful.
It was a giant. It was a...
Oh, the last one.
If we had fun there, we would just see
Put
it.
it on, I liked it.
Okay. This one,
Yeah, put it there.
I hope this one's just
What's it
like
called?
that. It's called Fire
Audio.
Oreo Shot Chew. Remove this shot chew. There you go. Center.
There's a lighter there. Yeah, there you go. There. Yeah, back down so you can go. Point it towards the banana plant. Yeah, move back. Can you move back? What's you going?
I'm going to watch it for a far distance.
Come on, dear.
That other one was amazing.
Okay, I'm holding the flame.
Try
Not
again.
lighting.
Try again.
Move back. Shot tube.
Wow!
Just one shot.
It's still good.
See, that's what the fireworks were.
Right. Fire,
Oh, I forgot to see it. Oh.
let's go front yard.